Hi, Will Patterson, Louisville, Kentucky living. Today we're coming to you from Mount Washington. I have Tyler and Sean. They're going to give you some insights on our house tour today.
Absolutely. Thank you, Will. Tyler Beeson with the Aspire Real Estate Group. We are out here, like Will said, in Mount Washington. This specific patio home is part of the Hudson plan. Sean, would you expound upon that a little bit and tell us what it involves?
Yeah, certainly, Tyler and Will. So this Hudson home is located at 575 Falling Leaf Drive here in our Harvest Point community in Mount Washington. What we're about to see today is 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. It's right at about 1,651 square feet and priced at about $283,990. So super reasonable. It's got a lot of additional investments and it's a very beautiful home that we're going to see.
Let's go ahead and step inside and check out this fantastic house. This house is currently available.
It is currently available, yes.
Yeah, great. To move in here, we come directly into the garage area. Nice big double car garage.
You also have a Wi-Fi enabled garage door opener, so you can open it and close it from your phone or check the status, which comes in handy.
Very nice. Nice and deep too, so you can get a large vehicle in. So come down the hallway from the entryway, we have a coat closet. We have the staircase that goes upstairs as well. And then we come back into the living quarters. Nice big expansive room, living room, dining, goes out to the backyard and the patio. You have the kitchen over behind our video here. And then we have a small powder room here off to the side, along with a nice area with storage for the pantry. Sean, you want to elaborate on some of this?
Yeah, certainly, Will. So as you'll see with this kitchen here, really nice island space, which this countertop here is one of our highest quality quartz, along with painted maple cabinetry. It's that really beautiful grayish green cabinetry. Again, and everything is soft close. We also just recently added the ability, as you'll see here, we actually have ceramic tile backsplash here, and then you'll also see ceramic tile in the owner's bath as well, which we have a really nice luxurious shower there. You have stainless steel appliances. One other detail is the microwave is vented to the exterior, so again, great for cooking.
And then there's floorings throughout the first floor.
Correct, yeah. So this is our luxury vinyl plank. So kind of goes into those additional investments into this particular home. Another small detail I just noticed again is crown molding. You actually have some crown molding as well. Again, small luxury, but those things sure do add up.
And then out the back here, we have the nice sliding glass door. Goes out to the standard patio, which is 12
by 14.
All right, let's go ahead and move upstairs. We'll take a look at the bedroom area.
And as we continue upstairs, we will have the laundry room right off to the right. Very functional, right near the bedrooms, makes it easy to be able to fold those clothes and get them to where they need to be. Right outside the laundry room to your right, you'll have a bathroom with 2 of the additional bedrooms. And this first bedroom, they're very comparable in size, almost the same exact size. They'll have nice sliding doors for the closet space, very nice size closet as well for this size of a room. And the second bedroom, right in here. And this one is a little bit smaller, comparable in size, and this one will actually come with a walk-in closet. So a little bit different than the last bedroom you just saw. And as we continue to the left side of the home, I really like this feature right here where it kind of walks down. It kind of adds a nice little kind of privacy feel, a little bit of a luxurious feel to entering into your owner's suite. And Sean, would you tell us a little bit about this owner's suite and what the owner's suite has to offer?
Yeah, certainly, Tyler. So with this owner's suite, comfortably sized to fit a king-size bed and full-size furniture. With that step down that you just mentioned, Tyler, it actually gives you a 9-foot ceiling in your owner's suite here on the second floor. It's actually one of our only floor plans that we do that with. You also notice, again, nice big fan light along with your 4 LED lights. You also have separate closet and owner's bath. So walk-in closet here, you're gonna notice is really spacious. And with this particular side, which is the B side or right side, it has window seats on the interior of the owner's closet and here in the owner's suite as well. A little bit of nice architecture, and again, a whole lot of natural light as well coming into the home. And then coming into the owner's bath, like we touched on earlier, that same cabinetry you're gonna see throughout, along with, you can come back to that ceramic tile. You have a beautiful ceramic tile walk-in shower from head to toe, along with matte black finishes that you're gonna see throughout.
Thanks, Sean.
Thank you.
So I hope you like this home. This home again is located in Mount Washington. We're in the Harvest
Point. Correct.
Subdivision. There's lots of different Fischer developments out this direction. So this home and many of the homes in the townhome aspects can be replicated in several other different areas.
Yes, we have communities all across greater Louisville that we offer this collection of home.
Okay. But I hope you like this home. If you do, please reach out. We'll be glad to show it to you, or talk with Sean. He'll be glad to show it to you as well. This is Will Patterson, Louisville, Kentucky Living.